Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We are back with another one of this type of video where we show you some opportunities on the internet that can earn you some money by doing the least amount of work. In this video, we will share with you a great way to earn online by simply watching videos. Isn't that great? We all know you love watching videos on YouTube. That is why you're here, right? But the problem is that YouTube never pays its viewers, only its creators. But there is an opportunity for you to earn some cash while you're relaxing and watching your favorite videos. We will show you the website that makes this possible. Before you know it, you will earn some passive income by doing the things you love. So, if you're interested, watch until the end because we will also show you a trick to maximize your earnings. Are you ready? But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I know there are many different ways to earn money, but what we will show you today is very simple and you may have been doing it for a long time. We're talking about watching videos. I know it doesn't seem possible, but it's actually possible to make money watching videos. And this is where it all starts. The first thing to do is watch this video and stay with me until the end to show you how. We'll also show you some bonus tips and other ways to double your income flow. This method is available in all countries and is entirely free. All you need is a mobile phone or computer to do this. It's also easy and anyone can afford to do it, including beginners and inexperienced ones. When you are ready, sit down and watch the whole video, don't skip any parts, and pay close attention. The website is called Zoombox.com. There are various ways to earn money on this site, such as responding to surveys, watching videos, and completing a transaction. It is a legitimate site because Zoombox will not only give you money but also give you gift cards from some large companies. As I mentioned earlier, there are many ways to earn. But in this scenario, we will focus on watching many videos because that is what you do every day and it will give you the biggest reward from the most minor work. You must know that we will guide you through the whole process of this money-making opportunity. First, you need to register and fill out your application. It means you need to create an account. Second, they have many channels with different content and choose the one that interests you. Third, you can start watching videos, but remember to watch the whole video to earn the maximum amount of money. For the fourth step, after watching a video, you will start making and collecting points. Fifth, you also have the option to switch channels. So you always get a different video to watch. Finally, you can redeem your points using gift cards or gift cards. As you can see, this is a free gift card from the big company I mentioned earlier. It's very simple. From the first step on the homepage, you have to enter your email address and password and confirm it. And now click the sign up button. If you want to register faster, you can use your Google account or Facebook to register. Once you log into your account, you will see how much money you can earn and your level. Other users are already achieving so much cash from Zoombox, probably between $200 and $500. Again, you can make money by watching videos. But there are also other activities here you can do. It will all depend on what suits you the best. Don't worry, if you run out of videos, the available videos will refresh every day. It means you will get a new list every 24 hours. To get started, go to your dashboard and click on the watch located below the site name and a large font. It will redirect you to a page where you will find home cooking, DIY videos, and different random categories. Also located on this page is the info about how many points you can get. When you click on the channel, it will take you to another login page where you must fill in all the information to create an account. This process is critical because if you don't sign up for the site, they won't have access to pay you money. Now for a bonus tip. You can watch multiple videos at once by opening and using other tabs. If you have a slow internet connection, you can also reduce the video quality. If you don't know how to do it, click on the toolbar icon in the bottom right corner of the video and select 144p. It doesn't affect the sound of the video, so you don't have to worry because it will only reduce the quality of the video. Not only does it save your data and can play videos faster, but it also lets you watch as many videos as you want without affecting your computer's performance. It is as simple as that. As I mentioned earlier, once you have collected enough points, you can convert them into cash or gift cards. If you have a lot of time and you still believe you can do a lot, you can review and answer surveys. This activity pays less than watching videos. You can earn around 85 cents to $5 and $10, but still a great source of income, right? But of course, you want to earn more points and money, so choose the ones that pay the biggest. On your dashboard, you will see several polls and questionnaires that needs to be answered. They consist of several questions that range from different topics per survey. So pick the topics that you know very well. The more surveys you answer, the more points you will get. And don't worry, because they have many topics every day from which you could choose. And these surveys help with studies, so make sure to always answer them very truthfully so that the results will be as accurate as possible. So it's a win-win situation, right? You're helping these researchers complete their studies and you're being paid at the same time. Overall, Zoombox is a good website for beginners because it is easy to set up and use. After setting up an account, you can quickly achieve financial freedom and earn a steady income. It is very easy to use, and the best part is that it's free. You don't need an initial investment, so you can just get going and start earning immediately. What a great time to be alive, right? With all of these opportunities online, you no longer have an excuse not to be successful. The internet surely is the tree that keeps on giving. It is our source of income for most of us now, and there are so many opportunities here for people with different interests and hobbies. Just keep in mind the process that we taught you. And if you forget a step, just watch the video again. That's our video for today. We hope you like it. So what do you think about Zoombox? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? And we know that Zoombox have many great reviews online. But we are interested to learn directly from our viewers what it's like to use the service. Do you have great success with it? All of these things you can share in the comment section below. We love to read about them. You might also be able to help others that want to experience this service. Well, that will be all for now. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.